Hello, dear students. Welcome to my class. What do you see in the picture? The mountain looks nice. So we have used here the. Now we can see a ship. The Titanic sank in the Atlantic. How beautiful the world is. So here we also have used the. In the mountain, the Atlantic, and the world. So can you see the difference? When we have consonant, then we have to pronounce the, and when we have vowel, then we have to pronounce the. Now we can see a diagram, the and the. That means the. So what does it mean? Now let us know the pronunciation of the or the. Here we can see the and the. That means dadi. So in Bangla, dadir, CV. C means consonant and V means vowel. So now we can say that when we have found consonant, then it will be the, and when you will find vowel, then it will be the. So easily you can remember it by using a shortcut method, that means dadir CV. So CV takar dadir. So it will be pronounced da, and the, it will be pronounced the. Now follow. It will be the cow is a domestic animal. Consonant. So it will be the. And now you can't say the apple. It will be the apple is a tasty fruit because you have vowel now. So it will be the. So can we guess what are we doing to discuss today? Use of the. So our today's lesson is use of definite article the. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to apply the correct pronunciation of the, use the properly, and apply the specific use of the. Let us make sentences with the. The girl is a student. The eggs in the basket look fresh. The house where I live in is very nice. The definite article, that means নির্দিষ্ট করে যেটা বোঝায়, the is used before singular and plural nouns. This is a car. The car is red. So now you can see that at first you have a sentence with car, and then another sentence it will be used by the. That means প্রথমে যদি কোনো কিছু সম্পর্কে বলা হয়, এরপর যদি আবার আরেকটা বাক্য সেই একই ব্যক্তি বা বস্তু সম্পর্কে বলা হয়, তখন সেটা দা হয়ে যাবে. So which car? The specific car which is in the above picture. So the is used to specify something or specific anything. The earth moves around the sun. Birds fly in the sky at large. So the is used something before unique or universal or natural. The Holy Quran, the daily ittifaq, that means newspaper. So the Quran is the best treatise in the world. I read the daily ittifaq. So thou is used before famous treatise, that means grontho, newspaper, families, nationalities, religious, communities, and so on. The Bandarban hill, that is used before the name of a hill. The Nile is the gift of Egypt. The Podda is a big river. So that is used before river. Seas, the Bay of Bengal, and oceans, the Pacific Ocean. Deserts, that means Morubhumi, the Sahara. Islands, the Andaman. And it is used for music or violin. That is used before the names of musical instruments. The guitar, the piano, so that is used before morning too. I get up from bed very early in the morning. Afternoon, birds return to their nests in the afternoon. And it is the picture of evening. So birds fly here and there in the evening. The USA, that means United States of America. And the UK, United Kingdom. The is used before the names of the state belonging to a union with other states. But you have to remember, the is always used before two kinds of nouns. That means one, specified nouns, যেটা পূর্ব থেকে নির্দিষ্ট করা আছে, the sun, and to specify a noun or nouns, নির্দিষ্ট করে বুঝাতে, that means the boy. So use the where necessary. We have to practice it. Now answer the following questions. What are the pronunciations of the? Number 2, where does the pronounce da? And where does da pronounce the? And number 4, what do you mean by specified nouns? And what do you mean by to specify a noun or nouns? And these passages will be your homework. Verse universal. Allah is the greatest, Allah is the fittest, and Allah is the latest, and Allah is the best. Peace be upon you to all.